We still got our eyes on the tropics. This is Tropical Storm Kelly. She's not expected to become a hurricane at this time. We are keeping an eye on it. We got two more areas we're watching over here in the Pacific. Watching this area with a 90% chance and a 60% chance of formation. Nothing going on in Gulf of America or the Atlantic Ocean. This storm is going to collide with this hurricane, and both are going to just dissipate and just go away. Not going to affect the United States. There's the two areas we're watching. GFS weather model. This is not a forecast, just a prediction. Another storm down here in the bottom that develops. Another storm develops here. That's on August 11th. This is the Hurricane Iona. Not going to affect the United States. Tropical Storm Kelly here. This one's not going to affect the United States either. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video out to keep y'all updated about the tropics, because it's just beginning.